Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pork kimchi stew. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of pork belly or shoulder, 2 cups of well-fermented kimchi, and 4 cups of anchovy broth or water. Don't forget your key seasonings like gochujang and gochugaru. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring a delicious meal. Next, let's prepare your main ingredients. Slice your pork belly into 1-inch pieces for even cooking. Then, cut your kimchi into bite-sized sections, which helps distribute its flavor throughout the stew. Mince 3 cloves of garlic and slice 1 onion thinly. Measure out 2 tablespoons of gochujang and 1 tablespoon of gochugaru. This careful preparation is key to building rich flavors. Now let's start cooking. In a pot, sauté the pork and kimchi for about 5 minutes until the pork is lightly browned. Add the minced garlic, sliced onion, gochujang, and gochugaru, stirring well to combine. Pour in the 4 cups of anchovy broth or water, then bring the mixture to a boil. Reduce the heat and let it simmer for 20 to 30 minutes, allowing the pork to become wonderfully tender. Finally, for the finishing touches, taste your stew and adjust the seasonings if necessary, adding a pinch more salt or gochugaru to your preference. Stir in some sliced tofu and green onions during the last 5 minutes of simmering. Serve your piping hot pork kimchi stew with a bowl of fluffy steamed white rice. It's a comforting and flavorful meal that's perfect for any occasion. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.